Hey everybody, Mr. J to do the homework with you today. Be sure you put your name on it. Be sure you put the date. Today is the 18th. And here we go. Now remember, if I'm going too fast, you can pause it, you can rewind it, whatever you need to do. Okay. Here we go. Andrea has 67. Well, I forgot something. RDW. Andrea has 67 green marbles and 57 blue marbles. She rounds each number to the nearest 10 to estimate how many marbles she had in total. Complete the sentences to show how Andrea estimates the total. Move the correct answer to each box. Each answer may be used more than once. Not all answers will be used. So she rounds 67 green marbles to. She rounds 54 marbles to. Andrea estimates that she has marbles in total. So important information we need. We know that she has 67 green marbles, 54 blue marbles, and then she's going to round each one to the nearest 10. Okay, and we're going to estimate. Okay? Remember, estimate means guess. Okay, so in order for us to estimate, we're going to have to round the numbers. So she rounds 67. Now, one of two ways you can do this, okay? If you automatically know because you know the rule of rounding, that's great. If you do not, I need to see a number line. Okay, so 67. 67 is between 60 and 70. Our midpoint would be 65. Now, is 67 greater or less than 65? Right, greater. So we're going to go 65, 66, 67. And there's 67. Okay. Now, which way is 67 going around? 70 or to 60? Right. It's going to round up to 70. And you can just write it in. Okay. Same thing. Next one. She rounds 54 blue marbles to make my vertical number line again. 54 is between 50 and 60. My midpoint is 55. Now, is 54 greater than or less than 55? Less than. So we count down. 55, 54, 54. So 54 is going to round down to 50. Now they want to know the total marbles after we estimate. So we estimated, we drew, we estimated. So we have 70 plus 50 because they want to know the total. Okay. 0, 12, 120. Okay. All right, next one. Eliza rode her bike on 3 days last week. Tuesday, she rode 12 miles. On Thursday, she rode 10 miles. On Saturday, she rode 7 miles. She rounds each number to the nearest 10 to find the estimate of the total number of miles she rode. What is Eliza's estimate? Okay. Again, important information we need. Tuesday, 12 miles. Thursday, 9 miles. Saturday, 7 miles. She rounds each number to the nearest 10. And we're going to estimate the total. Okay. So again, we need our vertical number line. And we're going to check the R for red. We did it. So we're going to need the vertical number line. We have 12. 12 is in between 10 and 20. Midpoint is 15. So is 12 greater or less than 15? Right, less. So we're going to count down. 15, 14, 13, 12. 12. Okay. So are we going to round down to 10 or up to 20? Down to 10, because it's closer to 10. Okay. So this will round to 10. Now we're going to do 9. 9 is in between 0 and 10. The midpoint would be 5. Now is 9 greater than or less than 5? Greater. So we count up 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 would round to 0 or to 10? To 10. So that is 10. Okay, last one. We have 7 miles. Vertical number line again. 0 and 10 again. Midpoint 5 again. Now is 7 greater than or less than 5? Right, greater. So we count up. 5, 6, 7. 7. Are we going to be rounding up to 10 or down to 0? Up to 10 because it's closer to 10. So that would also be 10. So now that we have our estimates, we have to find the total. So we're going to add 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is 30. Okay. All right, next page. Remember, if I'm going too fast, pause it, rewind it, whatever you got to do. The table shows the number of snow cones sold at a shop on each of 3 days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Which answer choice is the best estimate of the total number of snow cones sold on these 3 days? Again. Now, important information. We have the entire table, of course, is important information. They want to know the best estimate of the total number of snow cones. Okay, so estimate. So we're estimating again. So we read it. We have our information. Here we go. 273. Okay. Froze on me. Okay. So this was a little tricky because it doesn't tell you to round to the tens or anything. So the best thing we can do here is take a little peek at your answers. Okay. If you take a peek at your answers, you'll see that none of them have a tens place. So we will not be rounding to the tens place. The ones and the tens have 0, so we're going to have to move over to the hundreds place. So we're going to be rounding to the nearest 100. So 273, if we make our vertical number line, 273 is in between 200 and 300. The midpoint would be 250. Okay. 273, is it greater than or less than 250? It's greater. So it's going to round up to 300. Okay. Saturday, 123. 123. So we're rounding to the hundreds again. So 123 would be in between 100 and 200. Okay. Midpoint would be 150. Now 123, is it greater than or less than 150? Less than. So we would round down. That would be 100. Now we have 305. Now 305, I'm not even going to draw it. Okay, just think about this. 305. Is 305 greater than or less than 350? Is less than. So we're rounding down. And plus that's a really small number, so you know round down. Okay. So we add to get the total. Our answer is 700. Okay, next one. Okay, on these down here at the bottom, I am not going to do these. I'm going to let you do these on your own. Do these on your own. All right, we will see you tomorrow. Be sure you have your name on it. Be sure you get your folder signed, my class, and we will see you tomorrow.